What's up? Welcome to Boost Rodeo. If it's your first time checking out the channel, we are a couple of average car guys, husbands, dads, regular jobs, all the things, who realized that cars were no longer a part of our lives. So we decided that we wanted to start a channel, set out to change that, so this is our journey. So the channel kind of started when we decided to buy a $500 Corolla and turn it into the ultimate budget rally car. And here's how.
Don't drink beer.
Than anything I could have imagined. Yeah. I don't know, man. Corolla 1, Boost Rodeo guy 0. We said fuck it. Decided to pull the whole axle, have him do work. Why can't we face it? Keep on chasing. All these better reasons, you're the only one for me. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. We just wanted to pause for 1 second and remind you guys that we are doing a giveaway contest on the channel. Every single meaningful comment left in the month of September will get you an entry into a drawing to win some Boost Rodeo swag. You'll win a sick Boost Rodeo Because race car tee, as well as a decal for your ride. All you have to do is leave a comment on any one of our videos and be a subscriber. That's it, guys. Easy, 2 things, win some swag. It's a sick deal. Now let's get back to it. Thanks, man.
No problem. So if they're like taillights are willing, like.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm running. I see a train going on too fast, but Speed online.
It is supposed to go.
Something I wouldn't dare to think I would be doing.
Drive it till the wheels fall off.
Literally, don't let me drive it. The wheels will fall off.
So that's it. And to be honest, this car has been way more fucking fun than you should ever be able to have with less than 100 horsepower. It's probably the best $500 we have ever spent in our lives. Just a reminder, if you want to win some swag, drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button. Tell us what you want to see in version 2.0 of the Corolla build, because we're open to ideas, we're already assembling some things, and I guarantee you it's going to be a lot more fun and a lot more ridiculous than the car is now. So we'll catch you guys later.